Your bike is fine.
My bike is fine.
What's wrong with your bike?
You don't see that? No, nothing's wrong with it. You're right.
That shit. My door. My fucking door.
Well, is that okay?
It's not my fault, sir. That's not my fault.
You use your hazard lights.
You didn't just wait.
I did wait, and then I went around you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fucking God, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you serious? You don't park right here.
She was getting off.
You don't park right here.
You gotta call the cops.
There's parking spaces everywhere. Are you fucking serious?
You got it. You're opening. Are you serious? That fast? You're going in the shopping center?
I went around you.
Doesn't fucking matter.
You fucking idiot.
You're a fucking idiot.
You don't park here. This is road where you go. There's parking spaces. There's parking spaces. Well, not there.
You were just getting off. You had no fucking right to do that.
Oh my God, you're stupid. I'm moving my bike. Is that okay? Yes, the fucking door hit me. Are you fucking serious?
It's your fault.
Fucking idiot.
You're a fucking idiot.
God. Where the fuck are you?
You're in a Walmart given to you. You really want to do that?
Excuse me? I have...
What rush was you in? Can I ask you?
I'm parking. You don't stop there.
So you have to do that scene?
Do what?
You just run the engine. You went real fast.
It sounds loud, you moron. It's a fucking motorcycle.
In a Walmart?
I went around you dumbass. You're a fucking dumbass. You don't park there.
I didn't park there. They were getting...
Then use your fucking hazard lights. That's what they're for.
I had no right to do that.
You don't stop there.
No right to do that.
You're a fucking idiot.
Fucking idiot. You was wrong a little bit. The truth. Just a minute.
No, I wasn't wrong.
You're really gonna stick to that story?
Yes, you're supposed to put your hazard lights on. Just lay it down.
What was you supposed to do that? I wasn't supposed to do that.
Yes.
I wasn't supposed to do that. I wasn't supposed to do that. You were supposed to do that?
Do what? Go around you?
It's the truth, like that. The truth. Say the truth.
I went around you.
You're supposed to do like that. The truth. Say the truth.
I went around you.
You won't confess.
Because you stopped in the middle of a parking lot. To what?
Insurance kicked into that, right?
What was your name again?
Malcolm.
What?
Malcolm.
Malcolm. Can I talk to you for a second or what?
After everyone is that okay? I just want to get my hand.
But I'm saying, if you want to go to insurance, can you just pay for my door?
I can't pay for your door.
It's not a big expensive, I promise you.
I can't pay for your door. I have a, I know you understand, I just have a child.
Huh?
I have a child.
It's not going to be $400 or $500. I'll pay that. Switch for the damage. So you're ready to go to insurance?
That's fine. That's what they're for.
Separate, so I know things were an accident, how you guys decide to handle that's what we want you guys, okay? If you need anything more from us, no, you good? Take care of yourself. I'll try.
guys have cameras out here?
Oh yeah.
Mind if I get a... You don't mind?
Okay, sure.
That's okay, I got my own
Officer wants
anyways.
to see that, show him.
Huh?
I said the police officer wants to see that, show him.
That's okay, I have my own.
Or your insurance calls
I have my own.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Cool. So, you alright though, dude?
I don't know. I'll figure it out tomorrow.
Alright,
But I can
good
feel
luck,
it.
man.
Hey, are you still at Walmart? I was gonna get your information. Your information? Oh, no, we're gonna swap information. I thought that's what we were gonna do. I thought we were gonna exchange information. Oh, no, we swap insurance. You give me yours and I give you mine. That's how it works. If that's what has to happen, that's what has to happen. No, your insurance covers it. No, there's no thinking about it. There's no thinking about it. No, you said you were going to talk to me after they left. You're fucking stupid. Okay,